My name is Niven Hart, and I'm from West Orlando, Florida. Nas invited me here, and my relationship is, I guess you could say, like, homeboy. That's my friend. That's one of my guys. Good bumps, used to playing against him in basketball, so somebody that I met through the other guys. I'm a dog, and he know I'm gonna come take care of business, so I feel like he picked me because he know what I bring to the table, and that's what I'm here to do.
All right, my name is Malachi Hazelton. I'm originally from Brooklyn, New York. I just recently moved down here to Orlando, Florida. Hey! Who invited me here? My boy Deebones. My basketball background right now, I go to Prairie View A&M. It's a D1 HBCU in Houston. A little bit what I do right now is called a VBM program called Vert by Mal. I train kids, youth through like 5th grade through up in high school and help them with their vert and explosion. You seen the last clip, right? No, you didn't see the last clip? I don't know if y'all seen the last clip, but like, it makes it pretty obvious why he invited me back here. But that's my boy though. He knows I like to get runs in, so we'll keep it like that.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. We have a very new concept today. We each picked one player to represent ourselves in a one-on-one tournament. Each round they're gonna be playing for cash. So the first round, the winner will receive 300, second round, 500, and then the championship 500. And then after that, they're gonna play a final boss, which is one of us. Who knows who it is? They're also gonna play for another 500. So there's about 1,600 up for grabs. I don't know if I can do math. What's up, guys? Just letting you guys know what happened. Malachi ended up getting injured a few minutes after this interview and wasn't able to participate in the one-on-one. This being a tournament style, we really couldn't match him up against some of the other contestants, so Deebones stepped up to the plate and wanted to play in the place of Mal because he was the one that had selected Mal to play. The thing is, Deebones was recovering from a bad ankle sprain, and at this point in his recovery, he could walk on it, but he was in no shape to play this one-on-one. So here's a summary of how it went.
Oh my God! Who next? This for who next? We just showing y'all what we got going on.
I know.
Yeah, we can't let him go out like that. We just
gonna show this video.
13-0. He already done did it before. Oh! Woo! On his ass early. 13-0. Oh, on his head. Oh my God. Oh my. Cold drill. You should have got this ass whooping. Oh, yeah, one. Just play with him. Oh, cold drill! His ass. His partner butt, so you got, oh yeah. Oh! Fuck him! Fuck him! Fuck him! Chill out! Ooh! Fuck him! Fuck him! No. Man, hey, your homeboy. Yeah. You gotta steal him on the ride home. He just fucked you up. He wouldn't even play 5. I like that. Oh, that's the only bucket again, though. You know about that. Oh yeah! You know about me. Oh man, you get out here. My homeboy ain't fuck with me. Dick Rider. He's hacking up. Man, kill this. That's NBA range, man. Oh my God. Oh my God. People face that. Oh my God, Ralph. That's tough.
When Deebones is healthy, this would actually be a great one-on-one matchup, and we're excited to bring you that in the future. Big shout out to Niven though. I can't wait for y'all to see how good he is in this next round. If you guys are enjoying this series, make sure to give the video a like and let us know in the comments who you're rooting for. Our like goal for this video is 2,000 likes. Let's make it happen, y'all.
My name is Niven Hart. Everybody call me Mike. I'm from Ashburn, Georgia. Went to college in Jacksonville, Florida. They came to Jacksonville a couple times for like some park takeovers. I played them maybe like 3 or 4 times, and just been trying to stay in contact from there. I think I got picked because honestly, they probably, I don't know, they might have seen something that stood out. Definitely grateful for it, but I'm gonna definitely give him a reason. You can follow me on Instagram at DoItAllMike10.
Hey, this plan is simple. This is Ivan Smith, and he's a dog. Darius.
But that's plain and simple. I don't know what mine's is because most viral guy that we had down there in Jacksonville, AKA Mr. Mike Hall himself, Mr. I Jump Over Buildings, is in the building. So we don't even know if the building gonna be able to hold him down. He's jumping so high right now. Good luck, guys. Let go, Who got bomb first, Mike?
Mike.
Yeah.
Let's make this quick, Ivan.
Let's go. I'll show you.
Let's make this quick.
I got like 100 on you, actually.
Let's make this quick. Man, let's make this quick.
I wish I live in a world of editing.
Let's make this shit quick, Ivan.
Elevate. I mean, you gonna have to play defense.
Clear out. What's it say? Clear out. Oh my God. Get that out of there, man. Get out going.
Oh, okay.
Oh, bye-bye. And one. Oh, hey, we. One more. Ivan. Oh. Come here. Oh, hit them, Ivan, hit them.
That one was too good for you. Oh, I like that. Shoot it again, Mike. That's okay.
Bye-bye. And one.
Oh, good hand.
Good D. It's good D.
Bye-bye, Will.
It's good D. Every play.
Please.
Oh my God! Hey, you wanna hit that there, bro? Damn, he don't wanna smoke with me, bro.
Finish them things, Mike.
Hey, see, he don't want it.
Finish them things. I like that. Give me that! Oh, give me that!
Give me that shit! I tell you, athletic. He's very
I take it thy basketball lift.
Start shooting that. Yeah, he's gonna be out of energy quick though.
Oh, I like that. Oh, you gonna try to dunk on him?
That's kind of what it looked like.
Was you gathering for a dunk?
All we gotta do is see one go in.
Let's go, man. Let's make some shots, fellas. Nice move.
That's a one. That's a one. Hey, that's a one.
Yeah, when you gather up, Mike, use that left hand.
Well, obviously one go in, it over with. I'm just letting you know that now.
Let go, Mike. Lock up, like you've been doing. Man, I got to come to my class. Come on, bro.
Basketball is a game of runs. Yeah, it is.
Halftime.
That's crazy. All right, we got 2 timeouts. No timeout, you good?
Downhill.
That's a foul, ref. And one. That's one. That's a foul. Every time, he's too little.
You better turn up, Ivan. I'm gonna tell the Royals on you.
Elevate.
Don't be settling. Oh no!
Yep, he ain't finished.
Don't be settling. Oh no!
Yep,
Let's go, Mike.
There we go. There we go.
That's tough.
There we go. There we go. And one. Attack. Attack. We're good. Yep. Fun over with.
What we gonna do? What we gonna do, dude?
Fun over with. I told you that. The fun is over with. It's over with. It's a game of runs. That's it.
They got.
Okay,
My fault, real.
Coach AK, tell us that load up about work.
what? Hey, Clamp, what?
That load up
Anyway.
Hey, dude, you over there padding so you can shoot the best out of 5 or what? Come on, Mike.
Hey, coach, when you going on that side because he's now reading it because you did it so much, you got to keep the ball in your left hand, then explode. I don't care if you're not comfortable with your left hand, you got to make an attempt with your left hand because instead of 7, you could be at 10. You see what I'm saying? So you putting him in positions to where he has to actually defend, and he's on your hip right here on the right side. But when you put it here, you're giving it back to him. Don't give him back. Don't give it back to him. You already you closing in to the goal like this, and he's right here still. He ain't jumping with you because he's a 1-foot jumper. He's not a 2-foot jumper like you. So when you load it with the left hand. Make him hit you and one. Get the game over with. The game should have been over with.
All you gotta do is lift on your shot. You can get by him when you want to. He's gonna foul. When you get by him, bro, just gather yourself. He's gonna foul you every time. Okay. Other than that, just elevate on your shot. You good, man.
All right. Yeah, okay. All right. Is the hair in the way? The hair in the way? You good? What's up, man? All right.
Good shot. It's a good shot. Oh, he catch that from me. That's good. That's a good shot. That's a good shot.
Boy, that was Habashi.
That's a good shot.
That's Habashi.
Oh my God. One leg.
Oh, boy. You out here getting that comfortable?
Good. Go right by him, stop off to him, bro.
Get your bearings.
Go by him.
Yeah, for the Royals. And he fading back. That's tough. That's tough. I seen that going in. That's 2. That's 11-4. Hey, go on, get it over with.
No more twos.
Ball game. Ooh. You out here getting fried, chop suey over there at Kobe Steakhouse.
That's a foul.
Let's go.
You ain't got it.
There we go. That's defense. There we go.
Yeah, that's what we're going to call him. Dum-dum.
That was Nazir? Oh, that was Deebones too? That was fading back. What's good? Hey, good job. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening.
Let's go.
Bye-bye.
No, he got to finish that.
Foul. Thank you every time. Ivan, I tell you every time. Go right by him, wait for him. Bump him. Every time.
They do that every time, too.
Every time. He gonna jump every time. Look. Oh, finish them. Finish them. That's every time.
Nah, hell no. I think Mike might get him out of here.
Oh, shit.
He better slow again. Oh, my God. And one. Crazy.
Hey, that's a tech.
Ain't no tech.
When I said that.
Got to keep going downhill.
Yeah,
Got to be in shape.
Yup. Boom.
Fight back.
Watch what I do. Time out. We stop all that over here. We don't believe in runs over here.
I got you. Don't regroup. But see what I mean? When you put it in your left hand and went up, now you could rip. Hard dribble, bump, leg. Bump, pump fake, leg. Gonna work. Game over.
Why Nas ain't need folk business? He ain't need folk business. He ain't need folk business.
I got you right here. You got it. You didn't work too hard to get right here. See what I'm saying? You didn't work too hard to get right here, man. Don't let the moment be taken from you. Block out everybody else. Get back to what you was doing. Refocus in the game. You got one shot. That's it.
Hey, hey, look. They AK proud. He's smiling behind his camera.
What we're supposed to do, Austin was supposed to film it. You were supposed to get on the mic.
Hey, man, look.
That's AK guy.
Hey, man, Mike for the win, family reunion over, nigga.
Love it. Thank you for coming.
He's ass. He's fucking ass.
He didn't score a couple of baskets.
I said it the whole time. Foul. Hey, Mike, Rex, stop fucking playing. Hold on. Come on, BGU. Hey, Rex, stop cheating.
Reggie ain't cheating.
And one. Hey, a two hang this nigga. A two hang this nigga.
Don't worry about that. Lock in.
A two hanging. A two hanging. No way. Come on. He wants to that basket. Play. No, what? It was
went too far.
That went out of his body.
In the game. In the game.
That's a travel. My God. The extra 20 paid off. The extra 20 paid off, didn't it? The extra 20 paid off.
Hey, Mike, lock in. Lock in, Mike, right here. Hey, be like that. It's gonna get like that. Lock in. Lock in. Lock in. No, Nas, come on. Come on, Nas, get back. Get back. Yeah, I got one more left.
Wait! That's a trouble! That's a trouble!
Ball game!
That's a trouble!
Ball game!
That's a trouble!
Hey, get the ball back. Get the ball back. Get the ball back.
Get
the ball back.
Travel, everything.
Yeah, I got one more left.
Wait! That's a trouble! That's a trouble!
Ball game!
That's a trouble!
Ball game!
That's a trouble!
Hey. He ain't trouble. He let it go. He let the ball go. I don't know what move he did. I swear I don't. I have no idea.
That's a trouble! That's because he traveled again! That's because he traveled again!
Hey, Ray, time out! Hey, Ray, time out! Time out! I had another one.
That man traveled.
I had another one.
Imagine he smacked his whole arm like this. How crazy that would be. He smacked his whole arm like this.
Nah, dog, come on, man. He got to be able to finish that.
Fuck no.
Contact was gone.
He smacked
finishing at the rim.
He smacked his own arm.
I got to go ahead and get the foul.
Let me smack your arm, you lay it up.
Come on. Of course.
But I ain't gonna go in.
He gave him the chance to finish, though. Exactly.
But you gotta call the foul still at the end of the day. So we want both.
No, you
the foul and the bucket.
He fouled him over there.
No, he fouled
all the way, bro. I don't know why the game goes good. Come on. Nobody talking about not worrying about it. Do what you do. Do what you do. I'm here.
Let go, man. You got to be able to move in them beat shorts.
Oh, he got him. He got him. Free throw. Hey, free shot. You get a free shot at the three. You make me get ball back.
Shoot free throw. He got to shoot three ball.
Oh, shot.
Your ball, Mike. Yeah. And you get ball back, man.
Don't settle. Yeah.
That's a carry.
Hey, dude, ball up. Give my man's the ball.
Hey, watch out. Stop holding the game.
Yeah, stop holding the game up, bro.
Hey, he can't keep
Stop holding the game up, man. You out here high side. Where we at? There we go. Ball game. Oh!
Appreciate it, boy.
Hey, shake hands. That's a good game. Good game, man.
You got 200 for your appearance, just for playing, and then for the first round victory, you get 300. Way to play.
That's good five. Good five, right?
Eric Bledsoe, good win.
Good win.
And then 200 for the appearance, good game, right?
Yep.
Way to play.
Good job, bro.
How you feel about that win, bro?
I had to fight for that one, bro. I feel like ref will give me your stuff, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you.
No, that last call was crazy. He hit all ball.
Yeah, it was
I needed that one.
See, look.
He gave him 5 straight.
Oh, you on this side?
I'm gonna do that. If he gonna do the push off, what you want me to do?
Yeah, and that's what I said. It was even though, Mike. It was even. Ain't no ref gave nobody nothing. It was the ref made it simple as possible, but he let y'all play. Instead of him deciding the game, y'all decided the game.